everyone. Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. If you're looking for an easy way to watch live sports and entertainment on your Fire Stick, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install SportsZone TV using a fast and working downloader code with the new FireStick interface. This app is a great option for sports fans who want quick access to live matches, channels, and more, all in one place. And very importantly, later in this video, I'll also show you how to fix common issues like apps not showing, not opening, buffering, and region errors using NordVPN, so make sure you watch till the end. So let's jump in and get started. From your FireStick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type Downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say Downloader and the app will appear. Once Downloader shows up in the search results, move to the right and select it. Now click on the orange Downloader icon and press the Download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After Downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen, move to the left and select the bar, then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and click on My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your FireStick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that Developer Options are enabled. Press the back button, open Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a FireStick 4K Max or a newer Fire TV device, the layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the Downloader app. Once that's done, your device is ready to install third-party apps safely. Now that everything is set up, let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen, scroll down, find Downloader, and open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. This is the Downloader home screen. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the SportsZone TV downloader code exactly as shown, 2235054. After entering the code, click Go. The SportsZone TV download page will now load on your Fire Stick. Once the page loads, the app will automatically start downloading. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your Fire Stick a few moments while SportsZone TV installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now, before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN, and I'll explain exactly why in just a moment. First, let's quickly take a look at SportsZone TV. Go back to the home screen and scroll down to the bottom of the list. You'll find SportsZone TV there. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video due to YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes. However, I can give you an overview of its interface and features. SportsZone TV offers access to live sports channels, matches, and entertainment content. Content is organized into categories, making it easy to find live events and streams. The app is optimized for Fire Stick, and navigation works smoothly with the remote. And that's it, you've successfully installed SportsZone TV on your Fire Stick. Now at this point, a lot of people run into problems. You might install the app, but it doesn't show. Or it shows, but doesn't open. Sometimes it opens, but keeps buffering or gives errors. So now let's fix all of that. From your Fire Stick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. Type NordVPN using the on-screen keyboard, or use voice search if your remote supports it. Once NordVPN appears, select it, then click the Download button. Wait a few seconds for it to install, then click Open. Now sign in with your account, or create one using the link in the description if you don't have it yet. Once you're inside the app, you'll see the main screen where you can connect to servers around the world. Now, before connecting, let's understand the problems. Sometimes apps don't show because they are restricted in your region. Your FireStick only displays apps available in your country. Sometimes apps install but don't open. This happens because the app detects your IP address and blocks access if it's from an unsupported region. Buffering issues can happen because your internet provider slows down streaming traffic, which is known as throttling. Now here's where NordVPN fixes everything. Go ahead and connect to a server, for example a US server or any region where the app is supported. Once connected, your IP address changes and your FireStick behaves as if it's in that country. Now go back and open your apps again. You'll notice that apps that were not working may now open without issues. If an app was not showing before, restart your FireStick after connecting, then check again. For buffering, try switching servers or using a nearby location for better speed. One important tip is to always connect to NordVPN before opening any app. This helps avoid errors from the start. NordVPN also protects your privacy and keeps your connection secure while streaming. Now, once everything is set, you can go back and enjoy your apps without restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully installed SportsZone TV, set up NordVPN, and learned how to fix common FireStick issues like apps not showing, not opening, and buffering problems. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more FireStick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.